Day 14 of 365 days. I'm here at the park starting a new challenge, push-up every day for the whole year. I'm adding one push-up daily until the year is over. I bet you can't do 14 today, but if you can, drop your grind in the comments below. Hello guys, can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Ay, hindi po. Sorry.
Hi, can I invite you for a quick challenge? Yeah, I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. We're gonna do 14.
Vlogger ka.
I think so.
Yung kasama ko kasi.
Kasama natin. I'm here at the park. I'm with Ses. Nick. Let's do it together. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One more. 14. Good job. Oh, nice one. Okay. Yeah. All right. One last request. Too easy, right?
Subscribe to Month's Day to follow the challenge.
Go. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
I'm here at the park. I'm with
Dante,
Sir Dante. And he's already
73.
73 years old and can still do the push-up. Yan. Yan. Taas. Yan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 more, 13, last one, 14. Good job.
Subscribe to Month's Day, follow the challenge.
Sir, I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. I'm here at the park. I'm with Ricky. We're just gonna do 14 push-ups. Okay. Sir, on my count. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Pag di
10,
ko kaya mag-push up.
11, 12, 13. Last one.
14.
Good job.
At
Sir, ang lakas mo. When was the last time you do push-up? Tagal na. First, siguro taon na.
Subscribe to Month's Day to follow the challenge.
Thank you, sir. Good job.
Thank you.
Hi guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Ano?
I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. But since it's my day 14, we're just gonna do 14.
14?
Yeah.
Push-ups?
Yeah.
Okay. Paano ba sa, sa bench?
I'm here at the park. I'm with
Misa.
Nisa and
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay. Yeah, we're just gonna do the basic one. Tapos, can you do the full or the half lang ganon, half range lang?
Half.
Contract your tummy,
Okay.
tuck your butt, and 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
6,
This is so hard.
7,
9.
10.
We're almost there.
4 more. 12, 13, last one. 14! Good job!
Subscribe to Month's Day
To follow the
channel.
Thank you so much. Hi guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge? I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. But since it's day 14, we're just gonna do 14. Let's go. Yeah, let's do it together. There. Oh. Let's go. Di push-up. Tara. I'm here at the park. I'm with Celeste. Julian. And, alright. So, we're just gonna do the knee push-up. Follow my lead. Contract your stomach. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Last one. 14! Good job!
Kulang pa.
Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5.
Subscribe to Month's Day to follow the channel.
Eh. Okay. First time you ba to do the push-up?
Yeah.
If you wanna continue with the challenge, I'm posting it daily on my Facebook, so you can post yours. Halimbawa, you do the 15, the 16, just comment it down below.
Party.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14.
Brother Moon's Day, this is my day 14. Push up.
Day 14 done. See you on day 15. Don't forget to share your push-up grind in the comments below. Subscribe to follow the challenge. Bye for now.